Hey, remember me? Toad? Yeah. It's been 3 years I didn't see you. Will you come back? No, I come here to take revenge. For what? For my father's death. Hey, I didn't do anything. Because of you. Nightpaws didn't help my father. Hey, you make him do this promise that he will help me without hesitating. Yeah, but it was not me, it was my father. Now I will kill you first. No! You stupid. You cannot escape. We need to make the plan how to stop him. Yeah. We need to do it quick. Hey, Nightpaws. Nightpaws. What's the matter? I need your help. Are you Night Monkey? Yes, I'm Night Monkey. Shame on you. You break Nightpaws and Toad friendship. Shut up, you guys. What? I didn't break their friendship? What's the matter? Toad come to kill me. He said he will come to take the revenge. I know, because his dad is not alive. He's dead. Yeah, but he make you do a promise that you will help me without hesitating. Yeah. Yeah, but Toad was his best friend. So it's mean I'm not his best friend. No, it's not that. Shut up. Why did you take a longer time to come? I'm really sorry. Who is this two gorilla? My name is Bad Monkey, and my name is Pigs. I brought them here to help us. But we don't need help. Shut up. We are the best gorilla here, and we are the strongest. Yeah, but I don't need your help a lot. What? Stop dancing. Yeah, but they can help us. They are very strong. And you remember the guy Dolt? Yeah, who has a shield? They kill them. I mean, he killed them, not the black gorilla. Okay. Hey, where we are? It's my old pal Mike house. It's like a kitchen. Hey Rob. Hey Mike. What's the matter? I need your help. We need to fight with the monkey and his army. Again. What's his name? Toad. And who is this guy? My name is Nightpaws. My name is Steve. And my name is Alex. Hi, Nightpaws, Steve, Alex. My name is Mike. Okay, Mike, will you help us? Yes, I am your friend, and I will help you always. So, you will come with us? Yes, and why are you flying? Can you not come down? No, I always fly. Now can we go? Yeah. Huh? In your army there's only two? What? Yeah. They betrayed me. What? I come here to fight only these two? But what happened? There was the plan to break me and Nightpaw's friendship. What they do? Who was planning this? Night Monkey. Shut up. He's my friend now. He only want to break me and his friendship. He tried to break our friendship. He's telling the truth. Who are you? My name is Bad Monkey. Okay, I will tell you all the story. Okay. Okay, it's enough. Now we can go to fight with them. Wait! Hmm, now what's the matter? Hey, come here! Hello, Toad. Night Monkey? Yeah, 3 years ago, that was me who tell my monkey to break you and Nightpaw's friendship. What? But why? It's a reason I cannot tell you. Now go to regret because Nightpaws will not believe you. I'm sorry. Bye. Hey, I was not in that plan. And I am with you. Thanks. We need to befriend back. We need to bring back our friendship and reunite and fight with them. Yeah, Nightpaws. We need to join our hand with them. How can I believe in you? Please, I am your first and best friend. Will you not believe in me? I will. Yes, it's true. But I wasn't in that plan. So, we need to prepare and reunite and need to defeat them and give them a very good lesson. Yeah. Yeah. Now we will show them what we are. Yes. That's going to be cool.